They are heavy, three, four boat. It's a big boat, but it's not for our. So we are not rich kid, so we can hire in this three boat. So right now, two brother had right down the in this area and also near the water for hire a boat. This the boat driver also told that 1 hour 300 taka. Sorry, 300 taka. But right now Jubair bro that I want to the 200 taka. So we can hire right now. We hire a boat. So friends, look at this. Right now we hire a boat. It's unreliable because every boat driver told that we need the 300 taka. So right now we hire a boat just 200 taka. It also the convenient in our life also. Wow. I'm so excited for this. Hello everyone. Do you know right now where I am? Right now I am in the middle of the Turag River. It also located at the Mirpur area and also in the going on in our Dhaka city. Right now we find the refreshment and relax because it is needed for every person for pass their time in the middle of the sea or the refreshment area, also the relax area that are created the nature and also gives our Allah. It's also needed for every person. That every person or another person went in this place, you can hire any kind of this small boat, the 1 hour for 250 taka. It is really beyond and also the convenient, I think that.
Myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
When we are went this place, we find some people like 9 people and also our boat driver. Also boat driver told that hey, hello boat driver, we want to go the another side. So right now we are so convenient parts. We give a chance this boat driver also earn some money. So right now this 9 people take this boat and go to the another side, and also our boat driver earning extra money. So we are chance this. It is also total depend on our mind, but we are the good person, so chance this our boat driver. It is so good. And also look at this, this area also nice because we find a long area that are created Jubair was so excited for take a photo because this area also convenient for the brother push the nunto also. Shua brother also right now so tired and find so pain. Hey bro. In this area, this is a government area, and also take this area under the government. Also, in the next any kind of year, the government created the project for earning lot of money, and it is created also the China project, because went this place and created any kind of project that are needed for our country, also the China business.